Beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you all how to make a facial treatment for a problematic skin, and I'm using this stuff here. So guys, I'm using my ginger extract and my potato extract, which I extracted myself. So guys, ginger and potato are very good to fight eczema from your skin. They are very good to fight some problematic skin. They are very good to fight skin disease because they have so many antioxidants. They have so many healing property. Yeah guys, I'll be using my ginger liquid and my potato starch. So guys, this is my ginger liquid, and I have the ginger liquid and my e-wows melted together. Yeah guys, so I use the ginger liquid to melt my e-wows, and in here is my potato starch. Yeah guys, so and I'm going to add shea butter to it. Shea butter is also good to fight eczema. Shea butter is also good to lighten up the skin. It's going to tone your skin and it's going to heal your skin also. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, join the family, and hit the notification bell, because that is the only way you will be getting every of my upload. And make sure to share this video with your friends, and like this video, leave your comments below. Yeah guys, so I'm going to add my papaya oil also, and I'm adding my lightening glycerin. So guys, this oil, they are all handmade oil. I'm going to leave the link below my description box so that you can check out the video and you know how to make your own lightening glycerin and also your lightening oil. So guys, this is it, and what I'm going to do is to go melt my oils and pour in my ginger extract. So guys, this is it. I have melted the oil, and I added my ginger liquid and my emulsifying wax to it. So I'm just going to whip it. I'm sorry guys, I did not show the parts where I added the oils and my e-wax together. I'm sorry guys. So now I'm just going to whip it and give it a good mix up. So you just have to mix it up really good. That is it guys. Hey beauties, I'm done mixing my stuff together. So what I'm going to do is to add my funbat A triple action cream to it. It has antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. This is going to help to fight skin diseases. Yeah guys, this only help to fight skin diseases like eczema, like rashes, like scars. And guys, make sure not to use this for a very long time. Yeah guys, you can only use funbat A to fight skin diseases, and then you have to stop using it. Guys, don't do it excess. Funbat A is not good to use for a very long time. That is the plain truth guys. So after this funbat A, I'm going to add my glutathione powders, my hyaluronic acid, my vitamin E. These stuff are very good to fight skin diseases. If you have skin roughness, if you have eczema, if you have rashes, if you have pimples and scars, this facial cream treatment is going to help you to clear out those stuff out of your face, and your face will start to be looking brighter, and your face will start to be looking lighter, and it's going to smooth and clear your face. That is it guys. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, leave your comments below, share this video with your friends. Yeah guys, share this video with your friends, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be the first to get every of my upload. Yeah guys, so stay tuned and keep watching. beauties, your facial treatment is ready. This is so good to fight scars, it's good to fight eczema, any type of skin diseases that you will be facing, rashes, spots, and scars. Yeah, guys, because of the potato and the ginger that was used in preparing this facial treatment. Yeah, guys, ginger contains around 40 antioxidant properties that prevents free radicals damage and protect against aging. It also even skin tones and improve elasticity. Yeah, guys, even potato is very good in lightening of the skin. These are plant based facial treatment. There is nothing like chemical in here. This is 100% natural. Yeah, guys, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share this video with your friends. Yeah, guys, stay tuned and I love you all. Bye bye.